Global NCAP has just revealed the crash test results of the new Maruti Suzuki Dzire and also the older version as part of its Safer Cars for India program. Over this video, we'll quickly run through how both models fared in their 64 kph frontal offset crash test and a 50 kph side mobile barrier test. The new Dzire scored a perfect 5-star rating for adult occupant protection and 4 stars for child occupant protection, making the Dzire the first Maruti to get a 5-star GNCAP safety rating. The new Dzire gets 6 airbags, electronic stability control and pedestrian protection as standard. In the test, the structure and footwell area were rated as stable and good enough to withstand further loadings. The car also offers 3-point seat belts in all seating positions and eye-size anchorages are included as standard. The chest of the driver dummy in the frontal test showed marginal protection, but the pole test showed full head protection and the side impact test also showed full protection for the adult occupants. For the 4-star child protection, the 18-month-old dummy showed full protection and the 3-year-old dummy showed good protection to the head and the chest, while neck protection could be improved by installing a rearward-facing child seat. Side impact protection for child occupants also showed full protection. Global NCAP also tested the older generation Dzire, which only gets 2 airbags and ESC as standard. The older Dzire scored a low 2-star rating for adult occupant protection and 2 stars for child occupant protection. After the crash, the structure and footwell area were rated as unstable, and on the side impact test, it showed weak protection to the dummy chest. The pole test was not performed as this model does not offer side head protection even as an option. Both child dummy occupants were seated in a rearward-facing child seat, and both used isofix anchorages and a support leg. The child dummy head did make contact with the interior of the car, and the lack of 3-point seat belts in all seating positions explained the low child occupant rating. Do comment below what are your thoughts on these crash tests and which other cars you'd like to see rated by the Global NCAP. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to stay up to date with the latest automotive content.